Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Infiniti QX50. We will cover both the key fob and my Infiniti app methods, ensuring your vehicle is ready and comfortable before you even step inside. I'll guide you through the necessary steps, including important preconditions and how to extend your engine's runtime. Get ready to enjoy the convenience of a preconditioned cabin, whether it's a hot summer day or a cold winter morning. To use your key fob for remote start, first ensure your QX50 is in park, ignition off, and all doors are securely closed and locked. Next, press the lock button on your key fob. Within 5 seconds, press and hold the circular engine start button for at least 2 seconds. Your engine will start and the parking lights will illuminate. The vehicle will run for 10 minutes, and you can extend this for another 10 minutes by repeating the process. For even greater convenience, you can use the My Infiniti app. After downloading and logging in, select your QX50 from the vehicle list. Then, simply tap the Start/Stop button and confirm your command. The app communicates via a cellular network, offering a much wider range than the key fob. You can also check your vehicle's status and remaining runtime directly within the application, ensuring your car is perfectly conditioned. Remember to enable the remote start feature in your QX50 settings under Comfort and Convenience. The key fob has an approximate operating range of 200 feet, while the app offers virtually unlimited range. Your engine will run for 10 minutes, extendable to 20 minutes total. After 2 consecutive remote starts, you must cycle the ignition on and off inside the vehicle before using the feature again. Always check local regulations regarding remote start usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.